Hey, welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Mechanical Mastery. And let's see, how are we doing on our singularities, actually? Quite a few. I needed, I think it was 8 ultimates to get my hands on the creative ending upgrade. So we're a little short on steel for some reason. Glowstone's one short, but I think that was the last one I set up too, so. What's wrong with steel, though? Oh, I know. I hooked up some pipes over here, and I missed the, it was the steel one here. I missed putting an extract upgrade in it, so other compressors were sending their singularities here and stalled this thing out for a bit. But yeah, I need 8 to get to the creative ending, so actually I need 9, because I'm going to want to use the creative ending upgrade to for more final stars. These things. So, dark matter's not a problem. Eternalist fuel. I should probably go ahead and teach that, actually. There we go. Because I went ahead and set up another, here it is, the transmutation interface. So that way my refined storage system can see everything that has EMC. So, like right now we've got 500,000 Eternalist fuel available. And yeah, fun times. Today I want to actually start working on power a little bit. Do I have any points on me? I do not. Okay. Can I make one? Nope. Well. Okay, I can make 8. Yeah, that'll work. I don't need any more plugs for the moment, so. And let's go ahead at power. I went ahead and made up some dielectric casings, and I've got some bits and bobs already made up over here. First thing, we need an energizing orb. Gotta have one for crafting purposes, right? And then we can go to basic tier right off the bat. Okay, I do need starter tier. So let me grab like half stack of those. Then we're going to make 5 of these. And we're going to go upgrade these to basics. I need 5 more of these now. Okay. And my Flex Networks was charging those up, so no, not the interface, that cable. And you. Here we go. Figured I might as well just go all out and get myself some ultimates here. That'll work. Pop that off. I'm going to go ahead and put our point here. Set you up to power. Come on. And then we need some hardened. So that is going to be iron and gold. And yeah, this is going to take a little bit, looks like, but setting up auto crafting for these is annoying because they don't stop at just one recipe. Nope, give me that back. That. So if I was to, like, say, export iron and gold in here, it would fill it up with iron and gold, and then it wouldn't work because you can only do one recipe at a time with the energizing orb. Dang it, like that happens. All right, and blaze powder. So I can get some blazing capacitors. I went ahead and upgraded these guys to the hardened tier, which is what I needed the energized steel for. And I hooked up an importer on the bottom that I'm just whitelisting the results with. At least it's fairly quick whenever you upgrade the energizing rods as you go. And that's like, what, 10 there? I think I'm going to need probably 20. Right. Because I need 2 blazing capacitors per, and I need 4 per 2. So I need 4 per rod. So yeah, 20. And that should be 20 right there. And let's see, you upgrade into the niotics, which are diamond, right? And then you go to spirited, which is emerald. And yeah, these take a bit longer to pull off, but oh, I need to. Oh, there we go. Whitelist that. And then spirited. Let's just go ahead and move these on in. And it does take a bit longer, but I figure I'll just go ahead and upgrade the energizing rods all at once. And I think I'm only going to take them up to spirited tier. I don't think I have to take them up to the nitro tier. All right, and I just got my spirited capacitors done. So now I just have to upgrade the energizing rods. And then get around to automating the nitros. There we go. And what I ended up doing here is low extraction, stack limiter to 1, and just put whatever diamonds or whatever I want on there, and it feeds 1 at a time. Everything up to the nitro is easy. Nitros are, not that, this. Nitros are a pain. Also, I can get rid of that stuff. I don't need to worry about that anymore. Same with the HDPE is actually done. All right, but yeah, it's another star, 2 blocks of redstone, and a block of blazing crystal. So I need blaze rods for the blazing crystal. I forgot about that part. Nether stars we've got tons of. We are looking at 3,300. So, oh, and if you put a vulcanite amulet on a dark matter pedestal, it will automatically cancel the rain, which is awesome. Right. So let me get one of you. Let me get an exporter. One of these. And there we go. And let's see, how am I going to do this? How about a detector? So I need 7 redstone torches. Oops, I made 8. Oh well. 2 comparators. You can go here. you are going to be blazing. And say 300, right? You will emit a signal when above 3, actually, when under, right? You, my friend, I need to get a redstone control onto you somehow. This guy. Okay, allows disabling a pipe with redstone. And you... Okay, emit when above 300, and that'll turn the pipe off then. Okay. So you... Hey, it worked out. Having that extra redstone torch. There we go. And you, my friend, are just going to export blaze rods. And now I need to make more of these energizing rods, dang it. Oh well. It won't be a huge problem. But I do need to get another one of these setups going for the nitro. And... I guess a crafter might work. That's an iron crafter. I just need a regular one. You, right? So... Well, there's that anyway. I need a construction core. I need a destruction core. All right. And then let's set up a recipe for nitro. It's like so. Create. Also, need a recipe for this. And that'll just go in here. And how is hitting on blazing crystals anyway? 34, 35, okay. So we're getting there. Let's see how I'm going to do this now. All right, so crafter setup with my nitro pattern in there. Importer, whitelisting nitro crystals. And we go through now and ask for nitro. And it's really quick too. There we go. And it makes 16 at a time. So now what happens if I ask for 2 recipes? Is it going to bugger everything up? No, it's not. Huh. Did Refined Storage change something on their end, or maybe Powa to... Thought I asked for 2, though. No, it's all going over here. So we have nitro over here. 32, so that's only 2 recipes worth. Oh, because I asked for 2 nitro crystals. Right, so I need to request more than 16 for to do 2 recipes at a time. And there's the first one. I almost want to put a stack upgrade in there. And there's a second one. Okay, cool, so it's going to wait now. I think I run into that in the past, and it was just one of those, like, about damn time things. Okay, so I need a construction core. I need a blank upgrade. There we go. Oh, there we go. And you're going to go in here for the nitros. And so that way, whenever you need nitro crystals, you're just going to automatically request it. And it automatically requested the recipe there. And it's doing nothing for right now because it doesn't need to. I don't know why it requested, though, when this already had, you know, a stack in here, but oh well. It did. So the last thing we need for our final star shard is refined radiance. So we need superheated blaze burner, mixer with chromatic compound, and refined mixture. And it gets us 1. Refined mixture is superheated blaze burner, HDPE, glowstone, Mobius, gold, and water. That equals 1/4 of a bucket per recipe. Not great. Chromatic compound is powdered obsidian, andesite, glowing, and polished rose quartz, which can be made in an enrichment chamber. Glowing ingot is pouring lava onto brass. Andesite alloy and powdered obsidian, we can both know. Tell you what. Let's get a recipe for going for andesite. Wrong one. Yeah, let's try it. So that way my system knows how to make andesite on demand. And that's going to be a pain, right? So let's look at our alloy. Did not mean to grab that out, but thank you. Need 3 of you. Mixer. Let's see, burner. And was it like effigy? Yeah, this guy here. Dormant effigy. I need 3 of these. That's right, these things don't stack. There we go. It's the easiest way to get blaze burners I've ever had. All right, we're still, oh yeah, we're really good on luminescence. Okay. Deployer. And I did set up a recipe for this, right? Yeah. It is right here. So probably should go ahead and speed upgrade that now. And you are multi-server press. That's right, you're currently just doing gold plates, which I don't need to really worry too much about. How am I doing on fuel anyway? 9,000 buckets. Yeah. Then induction smelter. I need to teach my system how to make brass as well. I mean, I got 300 of it, but try again. But you know, we might need more than 300. So if we go to here, this stuff. Okay, that's the brass. Polished rose quartz we've got. Powdered obsidian is obsidian in crushing wheels only. Dang. Means I actually have to use the crushing wheels. I don't have those sitting around anymore, do I? So I need 12 times 20, 240 of each of these ingredients per final star shard, right? Oh, when I say 12 times 20, I just need 20. I need 240 of these per final star, though. That's what it was. Because there's 12 here, and it's got to go 20 laps through all of this. Oh, that's great now, isn't it? And we got almost 1,800 of these now, though. We're going to have to cash some in here soon for some EMC, though. And let's see. So your setup there. See, everything should be good. Do I have any ender tanks left? No, I don't. Need a cauldron. Why you gotta be like this? You know, here, do that. Just show me the white wool. I mean, honestly, that's all I wanted to see. You know, I made this time in a bottle. I don't think I've used any of it. Or very little of it, anyway. Now, here's the question. Orange. Okay. I need orange dye. There. And give me this. We'll do U plus U. Hey, there's a lava. Now, spout. Tell you what, just go ahead and do that, right? And then that and copper. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the bone meal away. With that and that. We need a depot. And let's see, I don't have any refined storage cabling over there. Over here is as far as it's gotten. So let's go ahead and do you here, right? So I can bring that cable over. That goes there. If I was to put you here. Okay, you will fill up from the side. Awesome. Now I need to get some components made up. All right, so got stuff set up here, and I think it'll work for me. After a fashion. Let's see, we need a cable to here as well. You are going to be the refined mixture, which means you're going to get probably an external storage on there, honestly. And set that up like that. You are going to be my chromatic compounds. And you're just going to be set up for items. And then you'll be the refined radiance. Also with an external storage. And we're going to set you to extract only mode. Now the only thing I have left to do then is the obsidian. think I'm at the point now where I can just do... Okay. Oop, let me up. There we go. I hate how long these things take to break. Oh, that's right. Obsidian doesn't have an EMC value. So, how about instead then? We're gonna need more pipes. And probably a retrieval module. Let's see. Low retrieval. Let's go ahead and make it a medium, I guess, actually. Because that'll prevent oversending. And then I need pipes. And the reason I'm doing this is, well, we're maxed out on blaze cakes. Got 500 more of the bases going. And it was 16,000 of the center flower. So, not the branch, but that. Here we go. Oh, look at you. Just sending everything under the sun, aren't you? The good news is, if it doesn't have an actual recipe, it just destroys everything. So. And you. No, okay. That's right, you can't shift click. Now let me eventually get some... There we go. There you go. All right. I know we have obsidian dust, so this needs to run for a bit. And put that back. But we should be ready to go with everything, right? Let me go here. Okay, I have a recipe for that. This is not showing up blue, but I think it's because it's taking up the entire space. Auto crafting, EMC, auto crafting, okay. And then, why is the andesite alloy not showing up as a recipe? This is now auto crafting. Huh. Yeah, no, should be good. So, who knows? Also, let's look at my singularities. 8 and 9 more of each on top of the 7 of each we got. Okay. And we just checked it. We're just going to send all that stuff back to the system. Oh, it's going to get nasty here in a second. Dang it. Oh, the interface can't keep up. All right, I just put my shovel away by accident. 3, 1, 2, 3. 6. Okay, it wasn't spewing items everywhere, at least. Probably should get one more speed upgrade. That way we can get it going just as fast as possible here. There we go. That's faster, yeah. All right, cool. All right. So there wasn't much point in wasting items, which is why I did that. Don't know when I got those, but okay. Must have been one of the mystery items that tried getting ground up over there. There we go. And we're up to 3 stacks already of the obsidian. Nice. All right, let's go ahead, close that out, and let's try requesting a radiance. It says everything's going to work. Oh, problem. Oh well. And yeah, we've got stuff in there. Nothing over here or there yet. I never hooked those up. Oh well. Another motor and regular cog. Let's set it up over on this side where there's really nothing to get in the way. Oh, it actually... No, it's going to probably complain, isn't it? Well, it's not doing anything. I do have my goggles on. Why are you not... Oh, that's the other thing I never did. I never gave these things blaze cakes. Because I didn't want to wasting blaze cakes while I wasn't actually crafting anything. You know what? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there's a bucket of refined mixture now. 3 chromatic compounds. Okay, this is not going to work. Okay, I need to go see what the problem is now. Scheduled. There we go. Oh, okay, we're waiting on the rose quartz. Got it. All right. I need to speed that machine up here. And here, let's just go ahead and put an importer over here as well. So yeah, we're waiting on rose quartz. Okay. And processing. Everything should be relatively okay. Don't tell me you're just going to wait till that's all the way done before you actually send anything over here. That's going to be annoying. It might actually be doing that. Which is annoying, but it's not completely unexpected. Do I not have any speed upgrades? That's energies. enrichment chamber. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I don't have any manual crafting machines anymore. I can hammer clumps. I'd rather not, but oh well. Or I can crusher it. I hate using my engineer's hammer to craft with, though. All right. Scheduled. Okay, how about tank? Let's go ahead and make an advanced. Let's just go to elite, I guess, right? And where are you? There you are. It's weird how sometimes it doesn't actually make the click noise. I'm going to need another one of those here in a moment, but for now it'll work. Okay, you can go here with that on you. And, oh, what is this stuff called again? Radiance or whatever? No, it's refined mixture. Oh, that's right. I need to switch you to fluid mode first, and then we do that. Priority 20. Take that off. Importer, fluids, whitelist. Right? Refined mixture, whitelist. Should be going, oh, into here. I had it on blacklist. Okay, I don't know where it went. It just disappeared. Tell you what, though. Oh, it's because that's an external storage. Dang it, I meant to do a exporter, which I don't have on me. Actually, no, external storage is the right thing. Fluid, whitelist, okay. Should be fine. So, I am slightly confused as to what the hell's going on right now. It says it has a bucket stored. So, it's currently processing, apparently, zinc. Whitelist to here, or not zinc, but brass. Okay, yeah, that it's getting imported the right way, and it's not pulling brass. It's only pulling the glowing. But Yeah, it says it's processing these things here to make, which makes this. But it's not actually doing that. I wonder if maybe... let's go ahead and whitelist. Let's see, what was it? Okay, what is this stuff called again? Purple stuff? Chromatic compound. Refined radiance. And yeah, you're whitelisting that. Okay. You don't actually get a thing though, do you? Can I put a crafting upgrade in? No, I can't. Okay. So let's just cancel that. I think what happened is something got a little overzealous. Yeah, see, now it's working. I think this importer, because it wasn't filtered, pulled everything out before it had a chance to actually craft. And as soon as it would have pulled one item out... I love how this is where it shoved that bucket of refined ingredients too. But yeah, as soon as it pulled one item out, the recipe would have stopped anyway. So... you have refined radiance. You should have a nugget of that stuff, really. No, it's... oh. Gotcha. I hate how they default to blacklist sometimes. Can't get that bucket out, huh? Alright, I might have missed it if it crafted. Nope, machine doesn't accept item. Really? Oh, it's probably trying to put the refined radiance in. You know what? We'll just waste a bucket of that. There it goes. Yeah, that mystery bucket that disappeared earlier, yeah, it ended up in here somehow. But, or, I don't know, something happened. Hey, we got it. Okay. And it's right where it needs to be. So now you can have this. Now if we go down here, you see that's kicked into life now. These are working like they should. And oh, there it goes. And there we go. And that's what it takes for one. This has to drop 4 times. There's 1, 2, 3. There it goes. There's 4. 5. This is a kind of an insane recipe, honestly. 7. And there you go, 8. And there it goes. See, it takes 4 recipes of this, 8 recipes of this to make 1 recipe of this. But we're up to 3 refined radiants now. All right, I finally got a stack of the refined radiants, and go ahead and drop our nether star in. There we go. There's our first step. Progress 7 out of 140. Now if I go here, we're going to set up a low extract, allow that. That's going to zip around back to the beginning, into the barrel, and there we go. I also want to hook up a pipe pressurizer too. Wonder if that would make it go faster. Pressurizer, this guy. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I need, of course, 2 more of you. Then to you. And then to you. And then to you. All right, so you need to be there because you actually have to be touching a pipe. And, oh yeah, it's faster. Okay. "20 trips through here, though. That is just... It's an absurd amount of items, is what that is. Just under 4 stacks of each material per shard. So 48 stacks of each material per... Yeah, that's a thing, isn't it? Oh, hey, it's done. Final star shard. Right. So here's the thing. I need nitro crystals. Hey, give. Thank you. You can have that back now. That's 2 more quests done. And I haven't checked my polonium in forever. 750. Yeah, I think we're good. So next episode, we'll be hooking up an SPS system. I thought I taught that. I guess not. Hooking up that. I need the port. You know what? Let's just go at mech. And SPS casing. We're going to need a supercharged coil. We're going to need the laser. Energy tablet. Let's see. Steel casing. Ultimate control circuit. Elite control circuit. Advanced control circuit. There we go. But we have ourselves 1 final star shard. And so what I can do now oh, that's going to get obnoxious real quick. I don't know why it reminds me of like an old old black and white cartoon for some reason. Let's see. 2,900 of those. Yeah, I think we're okay. Was it structural glass for the thing, or was it reactor glass? I can't remember. I'll look it up off camera. Oh, we're starting to run out of items. Yeah, we ran out of refined radiance already. And 14 and 56 out of 140. At least the system down here is running. It's just not very fast. I did have the system try to keep an extra stack of these in stock. We've got a requester set up over here. Extra stack of radiance and an extra stack of chromatic. Let me go ahead and bump that up higher, though. Let's say 192. It'll be 3 stacks of each to keep in stock. Which, with the one in there, that'll be enough for, well, 1 star, right? In backlog. Which is not horrible. What is your... You were running so nicely just a second ago. What are you waiting on? Huh. Apparently these. I started off a giant craft of these as well. Like 500 of them. So. But I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode. Thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next one. Signing out. Have fun.